Hey girl, and welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryljohnson with Hey Girl TV, and this is another episode of the Daily Review. And for today's topic, we're going to be talking about how to stay fresh down there for this upcoming hot girl summer. And if you're interested in learning how to stay fresh, keep watching. Okay guys, we're going to get right into it. If you have a very foul odor or smell or unusual discharge, you might need to make an appointment with your gynecologist. And just so they can rule out that you don't have any infection, because infections can cause odor down there. So get your appointment, girl, okay? Number 2 is your diet. If you put junk in, you're gonna get junk out. So that means you need to eat healthier. You need to stop going through that drive-through, ordering off that dollar menu, and stay away from that triple cheeseburger. It sure is good with extra pickles, I can tell y'all that. But get a salad. You gotta eat healthier. Incorporate fruits and vegetables in your diet so you can stay healthy. Your body's gonna love it, your skin is gonna love it, and your kitty cat's gonna love it too. Number 3 is water. I know y'all not drinking enough water. I just know y'all not. I just know you're not. I don't care if you gotta put strawberries in it, cucumbers in it. You need to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Your skin is going to be happy, your body's gonna be happy, and your kitty's gonna be happy as well. And number 4, I think you might have too much hair down there. Trim that low so it can prevent you from sweating too much, because wherever there's sweat, there's odor. Another reason, number 5, that I think you may have odor down there is because you're not freshening up enough. If you're wearing panty liners all day, please don't wear the same one all day. You need to change it out at least 3 times a day. And you can go and freshen. They have a lot of little wipes that you can use to freshen up, and that's all you need. Freshen up, change your pad, and you should be good to go. Number 6 is, I think you have an odor down there is because you're not bathing regularly. You gotta bathe. We grown-ass women, you need to bathe at least twice a day. Twice a day, okay? And number 7, you should not be wearing any type of panty that does not have a cotton lining in it. That allows the kitty to breathe, okay? And then sometime and at some point, you should kind of like not wear anything and just let it just blow in the wind and let it just get some air. Now that we've talked about some of the reasons why I think you may have odor, let's talk about some products that would help eliminate that odor. So for me, the first thing I do when I get in the shower is that I go in with the Dove Sensitive. This is the only soap that I use in my private area, and I have no irritations because it is sensitive free. The next product that I go in with is going to be the honeypot. And girl, this is a black owned company, and this is all natural. It has no parabens, it's cruelty free, it has no silver, it's 100% natural. That's all I can say. This is a really great product, and since I've been using this product, I have noticed a huge change in my odor down there. I don't have much odor, and this will keep you fresh all day. The next item is the honeypot panty liner. Now, right now, let me tell you about this. This panty liner gets very warm down there. It has herbs in it, so when you put it on, it's going to burn. At first I was like, am I on fire? So if you're very sensitive down there in your lady parts, the only one that I've tried is the one that comes, I think it's in the green pack, but this heats up. I don't know if it's eating the bacteria, it's killing it, they having a war down there, but this panty liner warms you up significantly. Okay, so be careful with this. But since I changed my normal panty liners to the honeypot panty liners, I don't have any odor at all. So after I bathe and shower and I get out and I put my panties on and then I put in my panty liner, I go for the Summer's Eve, And I spray this on the outside only. Like with my panties on, I spray the panties and spray all between my legs and everything. And this works really good. And then the next product that I use is going to be, the next item that I take is going to be the Want Daily Women's. And this is a probiotic, and it's for your vaginal, it's for digestive, and it's for your immune system. So it's going to keep your kitty cat fresh, and it's going to keep you from catching the COVID. And the next product that I go in with is the Daily Cleanse by Hum. And this also, I use this mainly for my skin, but it's also for your body to help eliminate all toxins. Okay, and when I freshen up, I reach for the honeypot wipe. It's all natural, and this is what I'm talking about when I said you need to go freshen up. You can use this to freshen up, because you know you get sweaty down there, you get hot down there, and you should not go a full day without freshening up anyway. Okay, so that's all that I have for you today about staying fresh down there. If you have any comments or concerns, can you please leave them in the comment section. I want to say thank you for watching, and you know what? I love you. Take care now.